Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix 5G connection or network problems on Vivo T3 Ultra 5G phone. So if you are also getting the same issue or facing some kind of 5G problems, then this video will help you. So let's go through it. So what you have to do is to first open settings and then click on SIM card and mobile network option. Now go below and select SIM. After that, go below and select preferred network type. Here you can see 5G option. Simply click on it. After this, now select 5G network mode. Here you should select auto select option, that is recommended. And after that, check if 5G connection problem is resolved or not. If not, then go back under settings, go below and look for system management option. Click on it. Now click on reset options and then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth option. Here go below and you can see reset settings option. Simply click on it. This will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data network and Bluetooth. After this, check if the issue is resolved. If not, then you should also check whether your system needs any update. For that, go to settings, click on system update and then here you can see if any update is available. If your device needs any update, then simply update your system and then check if the network problem on your Vivo T3 5G phone is resolved or not. If not, the next method is you can do is simply scroll from up and click on airplane mode. Enable it and after few seconds again disable it and then check if 5G network problem on Vivo T3 Ultra 5G phone is resolved or not. After this, the final method is to restart your device. So simply click on power button and volume up button. This kind of interface will open. Simply click on restart and your device will restart. Once your phone restarts, now check if the 5G connection problem you are facing on your phone is resolved or not. I hope you have followed the methods discussed in this video and it has resolved the 5G connection problem on your Vivo T3 Ultra 5G phone. So that's all for now. Thank you.